Hey guys, Itewan Semi here in Colombo, Sri Lanka, north of Colombo in Negombo at the Camelot Beach Hotel. I am here doing a quick review of this hotel. I'm here on a day pass. It is February 26th and 2020 and I am here. This is the hotel I come to like every year. Every year I come here either for 1 day or 2 days or a couple of days because it's right very close to my parents' house, 10-15 minutes from my parents' house. It's 10 minutes from the airport, north of the airport in Negombo, and it is I'm gonna say 3-star, 3-star. It's a little older, but it is amazing. I mean, like, look at the rooms there. Every room has a view of this ocean. Look at that. How can you just look at that? How can you not love that? So the place has a couple of pools. So it has this main big pool and a kiddie pool, and then it has another pool in front of the bar. So we got the bar over here, which is my home and native land. And then it has this other pool area, which is right in front of the room. So you have all these rooms over here, which face, better to the ocean. And then over there is the restaurant, the kitchen. So this is nice. And then they have these like little cabanas right there, which are really nice. I enjoy those. Oh, and there's a little cat. Yeah? Hmm? What? Oh, so cute. I miss my cats. So, the Camelot Beach Hotel offers day passes. So you can access the pool, and it's 1,000 rupees, which is less than $10. No, less than $10. It's about $7, $7 US. So, the rooms are really nice. I mean, you're not looking at like luxury, but I mean, if you look at these rooms, the location is really nice. I mean, if you have the first floor, you just walk straight out, right? And the second floor, you have to walk down. But I mean, this cat really loves me. Hello, baby. Yeah. I made a new friend. So anyway, are you following me? Yeah? Are you following me? He's crying. So anyway, the beach location is amazing. So one of the things I love about this place is that the beach is just right there, right in front. And when you walk out onto the beach, it's at least like 100, 200 meters to the water. You have to walk all the way down there. And one thing you gotta do is you gotta take slippers because the water is, the sand is burning hot. Like, it's not even 10:30 in the morning and it's already an oven. I mean, as you can see, the sand goes all the way out to the berm there, and then it's another 20 meters to the water from that point right there. So when you go out there, second thing is the water is hot, like absolutely hot. Sri Lanka's on the equator, so the water is like at least 24, 25 degrees Celsius. Absolutely beautiful. I have never had any issues with the water temperature here, and cool breeze coming in off of the ocean. I mean, let's look at the trees there. Absolutely beautiful ocean breeze. Not humid at all, but it is hot. I mean, we're talking about, if you look at the sun, it's hitting me right in the face. It is hot. I gotta stand in the shade because absolutely an oven out here. Even with sunscreen and stuff, I still get a little bit burned. So what else was I gonna say about this hotel? The food, absolutely amazing. They have a buffet. Absolutely amazing buffet. Breakfast buffet is amazing. Not like the continental breakfast. I'm talking a full Sri Lankan and Western breakfast. Lunch, I'm gonna do a la carte lunch, so we're gonna take a look at that. And dinners, I haven't eaten dinners here because you usually go out for dinner to like a seafood restaurant and stuff like that. But absolutely beautiful. So let's take a quick view of the hotel, the grounds. You have so many beach chairs and everything like that. Like, you can choose different areas for the beach chairs here. You can choose the beach chairs here, or the beach chairs in the back over there, or the beach chairs behind the bar at the main pool area. So anyway, we're gonna I'm gonna finish my drink at the bar, then I'm gonna go in the water, and then we're gonna have lunch. All right, Itiwansemi, I'm out. All right, so here we go. So there's the resort. Now the one thing is they've got a lot of crows. I don't know if you can hear it over the wind noise, but so as you can see, the beach goes, like, I'm still walking. Look at that. So we're gonna head out into the water and check out the water. So this will be, a couple of days ago I did my feet in the ocean. So, you know, I like to connect to the ocean at least once a year. So today I'm gonna get right in. And the ocean, it's not too bad. It's a little bit rough. There is, one thing is there is an undertow. So you can see there. Because the angle of the beach, there is an undertow. But just look at that. How can you not absolutely love that? So we're gonna head in. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna leave my shoes up here. Yeah, you definitely need shoes to walk across that sand because it is absolutely freezing cold. I mean, boiling hot. So let's get out here. Oh, the water's so nice. It is wavy. Woo! But one of the things is the sand, the ocean bottom is nice and sandy. Yeah, there is an undertow. Oh, I'm standing up. It's only waist high. You just have to be a little bit careful about the undertow and the waves. So, oh, the water's so nice. Just like my video last year in Thailand, in the ocean. Oh, I love it. One of the things I've always loved is I'm a water baby. I will live in the water. And it is so beautiful. Oh, I can't get enough of just being in the water. Oh, it's so warm and so comfortable. I love it. There's no rocks. There's a few shells I'm standing, well, not shells. I think it just must be crap that I'm standing on. But here we go. No waves. I'm just beyond the waves. Paradise. Yeah, there is an undertow. Not a strong undertow. Not like last year. When I was here last year, there was a strong undertow. But this is just, I could just sit here like this all day. Yeah, definitely enjoying this. So, when you're gonna come to Sri Lanka, you gotta come to Negombo. You gotta come to Camelot Beach. Negombo Beach is one of the nicer beaches, so that's the thing. Oh, there we go. Just like in Thailand, every time the phone gets a little bit wet, it shuts off. I don't know why it does that, but anyway, let's look at this. Oh, Castaway. There's nothing but ocean. You know, one of the things is that this is Negombo, and we're on the east coast. So in that direction, next stop, Africa. I don't know how far away it is. I don't know how long it takes, but it's just it's an ocean away. You know, that way, if you go that way, beyond, if you go south, next stop, South Pole. There's no ocean, there's no land south of Sri Lanka. If you go from the, sorry, this is west. This is west, this is south. If you go east, next stop is probably Malaysia or Philippines or something. Malaysia, or, yeah, Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia. So, anyway, today's my last day in Sri Lanka. I'm kind of contemplating staying an extra week because of the coronavirus. I don't have to go back to Seoul until, I don't have to work until the 15th, and today is the end of February, February 26, 27. So I don't have work until mid-February, mid-March. All the classes are canceled. Oh, and there's the plane taking off from Katunayake Airport. I don't know if you can see it. Right. That's the one thing. The one thing that you might not like about this area is that the airport is just right there. The airport is like right over there. So it does get, you know, once in a while, it's not like, you know, every 5 seconds or 5 minutes, once every 20 or 30 minutes. Oh, so there's a boat going out, taking some tourists out. I would suggest not doing that. It's not worth it in my opinion. I mean, really? Spending money just to go out on the water? Just my opinion. I mean, if you want to spend the money and do it, go ahead. I mean, I'm not. It's not that dangerous. Whoa! It's not that dangerous, but they're unregulated, right? So I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna head back in. Oh, that undertow! Whoa! Yeah, right where the waves are crashing, the undertow is bad. But out in the ocean, not too bad at all. One of the things I love about the ocean is that the beach sand. You get your own little pedicure. Yeah. You know, just walking on the beach, you get a pedicure. Anyway, each to one Sammy. Living life. I'm out.